On the last episode of our EJS Prep series, the boys declared their intent to drive to the 2027 Easter Jeep Safari in Moab, Utah, preparing their vehicles to tackle the challenging trails that Moab has to offer, begun with swapping out the front axle in Aaron's Jeep LJ. What's next for our overconfident amateur mechanics, and what other vehicles will be making the trip? Let's find out. The second vehicle making the trip to Moab in 2027 is Sean's 2017 two-door Jeep JK. Captain Indecisive has officially changed his plan for wheels, abandoning the 16-inch wheels he previously purchased in favor of 17-inch wheels that will allow for a needed brake upgrade. And why not go with America's most polarizing wheel color, bronze? Sean picked up some Golden Eagle Edition Jeep wheels on Marketplace for $150. Sean and Grady also removed the rear frame crossmember in preparation for installation of the Crawltek rear frame chop bumper that's been sitting in their garage for the last few months. Better get that installed before Sean changes his mind on that too. Over at Aaron's shop the next day, the boys made quick work removing the stock rear Dana 44 axle to make room for a Currie Dana 60. This likely would have taken twice the time if Jet had been helping, which seems like scientific proof positive that the collective IQ of this group plummets when more hands are involved. Aaron decided this was an opportune time to remove and replace the rear upper coil buckets in an effort to correct the coil spring bow that currently exists with his Metal Cloak 3.5-inch suspension kit. The third vehicle making the trip to Easter Jeep is Josh's 1992 Jeep Wrangler YJ. The latest modifications on this rolling need for a tetanus shot include repairing a wiring harness that squirrels chewed through not once but twice, and sourcing some double-sided tape to replace the driver's side mirror that just fell out the day before. You can't make this shit up. The crew still needs a group-approved nickname for the YJ. Rusty Griswold has already been ruled out, but if you have a better suggestion, leave it in the comments below. All kidding aside, this is probably the coolest Jeep making the trip to Moab due to its history alone. The next part in this Easter Jeep Safari Prep series will hopefully include a reveal of some of the other rigs making the trip in 2027, but will most definitely include build progress on the Jeeps covered in today's video. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell if you'd like to stay up to date. Even simply hitting the like button would really help these morons out. Thanks for watching Trash Panda Garage, and until the next time, get out there and build something.